Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we discuss about what are break and continue statement in C++. Before moving to the video, if you have not subscribed the channel, do subscribe the channel and also save the playlist for your future reference. Without wasting your time, let's start the video. What is break and continue statement in C++? First of all, we discuss about what are break statement in C++. The break statement in C++ is a loop control statement which is used to terminate the loop. Basically, break statement is used to terminate the loop. Now discuss about what are continue statement in C++. Continue statement is also a loop control statement just like the break statement. Continue statement is opposite to that of break statement. Instead of terminating the loop, it forces to execute the next iteration of the loop. Basically, continue statement is the opposite of break statement. Continue statement is used to execute the next iteration of the loop. Let's do some example to master break and continue statement in C++. Create a folder in your suitable place and right click on it and click on open with code. It will redirect you to Visual Studio Code. If you have not watched the video getting started C++, installing VS Code and G++, do watch the video because if you will not watch the video, you won't be able to run C++ program. Create a new file, tut13.cpp. Type header file has include iostream using namespace std int main return 0. First of all, declare a variable. I will declare int n semicolon and take the value of n from user. Cout, enter the value of n semicolon. Cin n semicolon. Now type for, this is the code snippet of C++. In size type int I is equals to 0, I is less than or equal to 10 and I++. In code I will print the value of I semicolon and I will give the condition inside the loop. If I is equal to 5, then print I am 5 and endl semicolon, and also type endl here. Now run the program, enter the value of n. If I will give the value of n is 5, then you can see that 0 1 2 3 4 5 I am 5 6 7 8 9 10 is printed in the terminal. If I will break this line, then you can see that enter the value of n 10 0 1 2 3 4 5 I am 5 is printed in the terminal, and after 5 nothing will executed. Okay, so this is the break statement. Now discuss about what are continue statement. Continue semicolon, and after that run the program and I will give the value of n is 10. Then you can see that 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 and I am 5 is also printed in the terminal. So this is the example of break and continue statement in C++. I will give the link of this source code in the description box so you can easily check it out from there. If you have any doubt, comment on this video. I will solve your doubt. You can also join my coding discussion channel to solve your doubt, and also follow me on Twitter, Instagram. Link is given in the description box. Still you have not subscribed the channel, do subscribe the channel and also save the playlist for a future reference, and join my Telegram channel. I hope you guys like this video. Thank you so much guys for watching this video, and I will see you next time.